Howdy folks, we're back in the shop today, a little different video today. I've been playing energy roulette for, well, way over 30 years, and we lost our power in the spring, I think it was, for 2 days. And so out here in the country, you don't have power, you don't have water, you don't have your sump pumps, and then you got all the rest of it too that goes with that. So I decided to pull the trigger on this 8757,000 Champion generator. I've never had a generator before, and this is Canadian dollars, my American friends, so it was 200 bucks off. So what I'm going to do is get this thing out of the box and have a look at it. It's quite heavy. It's a couple hundred pounds, but I'm going to get it out of the box and fire it up and have a look at it. Okay, so let's have a look at what we got. That's a good double flute cardboard, so they packaged it right. And here's the carbon monoxide auto shut-off document. Just put that over there. And there she be. There's the manual. And so what I'll have to do here is cut this down the side in order to get this out. And then hope like hell I don't have to take it back, because as you know, you always want the box. Or maybe I'm going to cut the bottom and just pull the box off. How about that? Okay, so that's how you do it. And then lift this right off. So, here's your manual. There's your manual. Get that off of there. This is the accessory kit. I'm assuming it's the wheels. So we'll pop that open and see what's in there. That's your wheel kit. Got some oil. This little funnel. Some related wheel hardware, I'm assuming. Got 1.1 liters of oil. And some brackets. So that's your wheel hardware. One of the things I'm going to do, which you'll learn as you get older, is I'm going to crack open the instruction book and read it. When you're young and stupid, you usually don't do that, but one of the things I've learned as I've gotten to be older, take a look at that instruction book. Save yourself a lot of grief. Okay, so the wheels are really simple to put on, but I don't know. I think I'm going to put a washer or something. Look at the play there. I don't get that, but anyway. I'll leave them like that for now. And then we're going to get the stops on here, the front legs. Okay, so these go on real easy. That's the legs. Just bolt through the frame there. Hopefully that's in focus. Nothing to it. Just tighten them up. However, I'm going to look on my bench for some bushings because I just don't like that. Look. Come on, man. Like, geez. So, I'm going to go look for some bushings or some thick washers to put on there. Okay, so I got a couple of these. They're soft rubber and washers, and I'm going to put those on. Try those. I know you're probably thinking, what are you worrying about? You're not taking it very far, but I don't know. You get ice cold winter days, you got plastic wobbling like that. You never know, you might break something. It's 200 pounds. Okay, so that idea won't work because the problem is, try not to wiggle this too much. The problem is that distance there, the thick part of that axle is longer than the wheel. So what I've done is I found a washer, and now that goes in there, and now that's not going to stick out. So hopefully that's enough to get the cotter pin in, and we'll continue. Okay, so just to show you the difference, not to belabor the point too much, but hopefully that's focused. That's how they showed up. So a little modification with some washers, and that's how they are now. So I feel much better about that. So we'll get this other wheel done. Okay, so that's done. So let's get this flip-up handle. It locks in place. Apparently not. So anyway, I'm going to get this upright and get some fluids in it. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, the wheel is not perfect, but I don't know if you can see that there. It does still have a bit of a angle to it, but we're just going to have to be happy with how it is. And this handle's terrific. Makes it a lot easier to move around. Not too bad at all. So, next up, fluid. So there's your filler cap down underneath there. And we'll get the oil in. Okay, so there's the unboxing completed. The only complaint I have is the wheels. And I'm probably going to go around and check all the bolts and screws and make sure they're tight. I got the oil in it, I've got some fuel in it, and I'm going to get this thing started up. So the only other thing I'm going to have to check on here is, I got a ground pole there anyway, so it's not a big deal for me, but I got to ground it on that thumb screw and run it to a ground pole according to the instructions. That is something I did not know, so I've never used one of these before, so I'll have to do a little more investigating on that. But this is where I plan to run it anyway, right outside my shop, so it's not a big deal to me to just run a piece of copper wire over to that ground pole right there. And then I'm going to build a wooden cover that'll lean against my shop door here with a couple of brackets, and that'll keep it, if it's nasty weather out, that'll keep it dry. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it, and it's going to give me some peace of mind this winter, because folks, the power grid's getting old in North America, and there was people 2 weeks without power this spring, and I'm not going to be at the mercy of the power company any longer. So I guess that's it for today, so we'll catch you later.